Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Ecomi. What's the current price of the Ecomi, what's the price since occur in the Ecomi, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very important news of Omi coin. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Omi coin. 0.003986 USD dollar is the current price of the TRX. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the TRX, Omi coin. So the price change as only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week price change occur in the Omi coin as in negative friends. There is, and so now it's a good news for all Omi holders that the Omi start jumping in the last 1 hour. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Omi coin for better understanding and what's going in this time the Omi coin friends. So friends, as you can see here now on the chart, so the Omi coin is absolutely very badly fast down friends. As you can see here, badly fast down occur in the Omi coin in the last 1 day. But if you look the currently situations, if you zoom it, so let's zoom it. As you can see here, at this time, absolutely at this time they taken a high jump. This jump I really like this kind of jump friends, and now that is why the last 1 hour price change is positive, because the Omi coin start jumping in the last 1 hour. And if we look the price change occur in the Omi coin, so negative 2.19% price change occur in the Omi coin, and the highest price of the Omi coin is 0.00423 USD dollar is the highest price of the Omi coin. That is the last 1 day, last 24-hour price prediction. My prediction about the Omi coin is positive, that as you can see here, if you look the previous time change occur in the Omi coin, so absolutely the previous change as in the negative friends. So I hope there is the common phenomena, that is the common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump. Same like that now the Omi coin is also fast down, so now it's time to take a jump friends. Anyways, what's your prediction? Please also tell me in the comment box. And my personally recommendation, my personally suggestion for all of you is that please hold, don't sell it, because as you can see here, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change occur in the Omi coin as positive, so that's clear that the Omi coin start jumping. I hope they continue this kind of jump for a long time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share your opinion and comment box, and also subscribe ABS Tech channel.